Today we're going to cover the Enavate Cloud, powered by Azure. What does it look like to take your existing GP environment and uplift it into Azure so you have better security and some of the other top 3 benefits that Bill will cover?
So the third primary benefit of migrating to the Enavate Cloud powered by Azure is enhanced security. I could talk about security for a long, long time. I came to this organization a long time ago, but came from an organization that did IT security work only. And I can tell you that it was hard 20 years ago, and it's worse now, right? There are more and more breaches. It used to be that the bad guys would target large organizations because that's where the data was, that's where the money was. But the large organizations have multi-million-dollar budgets, and they can afford the very best in security. So today, 77% of the breaches are in small and medium business, which is very frightening. The only reason for that is it's easier to get into a small and medium business that can't spend millions of dollars to protect and secure that data. So please be aware of that. One of the reasons we chose Microsoft Azure as our cloud platform is exactly that, right? Microsoft spends a lot of money, a lot of effort on making this a secure environment. In fact, if you think about it, Microsoft is really a security company. And I know that all of us think of it as an accounting software, ERP software company, but Microsoft has thousands of products from the desktop up through the server and then into the cloud portion to enhance security and ensure the integrity of your data and applications. Most of the Fortune 100 use Azure. Over 400,000 companies are using it today. I love this one. Regulatory compliance challenges are significant. Many of you are not subject to them today. Some of you are, but we don't know what the future holds. And today, Microsoft meets the requirements for over 200 regulatory compliance challenges. That is huge. By the way, it's far more than any other cloud provider. In the background, and most of us don't see this, but in the background, there are a lot of tools in Azure that are running that detect threats, and typically it's anomaly based. So something that's unusual, Microsoft picks it up in Azure. They review and analyze over 8 trillion events every day. That is huge, and nobody else even reviews and analyzes anywhere close to that number. They also spend over $1 billion annually on security in Azure. That's billion with a B, that's a whole lot of money. And they have over 3,500 Azure security engineers in place. So very, very safe and secure place to store your data.